All right, so number 6 is finding the circumcenter. So we need to do what? How do we find the circumcenter? Anyone, somebody, one, buddy.
What is it, the midpoint of the sides?
Yeah. So we look for the midpoint of the sides, say like about right there. And we take the perpendicular. And then we look for the midpoint here. Oh, yeah. Out there. Perpendicular. Right? Then we find the midpoint here. Out there. Perpendicular. And this is outside of the triangle, which means what? That means it's an obtuse angle, triangle, right? If it were a right triangle, it would connect right here on the side, because all right triangles, the circumcenter is actually halfway through the circle. In fact, the hypotenuse makes up the radius or the diameter of the circle, okay? And then with all acute angles, the circumcenter is on the inside. Okay? Does that make sense? Alright, so what this also does is it tells us that, well, this side, right, is congruent to this side is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side. So this is X right here. Okay? And then this is Z. And of course this is Y. Okay? And so when it tells us that AX is 6, it's telling us that this is 6. When it tells us that AC is 4, it's telling us that this whole thing is 4. Okay? When it tells us that BY is 5, it's telling us that this part right here is 5. And AP, well, that goes to this P down here. This is Y, right? And then this dot right here, the circumcenter, is P. Okay? Find the circumcenter, and it should have said P. Right? Alright, so we know that this length, well, we don't know the length. Yeah, just AP. Oh, from A to P is, we know from A to P is 13. Okay? And what that's telling us is a few things. 1, this side is 6. Right? 2, these two sides are how much? The whole thing is 4?
2.
Yeah, these are each 2. 3, this side has to be 5. And then if we go like this, P to C and P to B, those have to be 13, just like the A to P. Okay? And then we know everything there is to know. And to answer these questions, it should be relatively easy. AB. Okay? Where is AB? How much is AB? 12. Yeah. Because it's 6 plus 6, right? Okay. How much is AZ? 2. Okay. And how much is YC? Y to C. That's 5, right? The 13 was so that got a little confusing there using the same color. So let's do this. 13 was that, and that, and that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So the 5 was actually same as this 5, which was basically the Y to C, right? Yeah. As this is given. All right, and that's it. Number 6 and 7.